Hello everyone. In this video, we will be seeing other types of operators. We can see a group of operators known as the comparison operators. These operators are used to compare two values. These types of operators include equal to, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, is not, is, etc. Now, for example, we can just compare the values. That is 5 equal to 6. We know that 5 is not equal to 6. So if we print the output of this comparison operation, what we have seen here is an unexpected indent error. That is, in the case of Python, we have to strictly follow indentation. Else, we will get an error. Here the answer is false. Now we can see what the type of false is. It is a type of Boolean. This result of a comparison operator is always a Boolean. This comparison operators can be used to compare values. We can combine expressions of comparisons using the logical operators, which are the and, or, and not. We are going to combine two comparison operations. That is 5 is equal to 5 is true and 6 greater than 3. In this case, both are true. So the answer will be true. Now, we can see a function which is used to take input from the user. This function is known as input. It has called a prompt. We type your name is the prompt. This will be what will be shown. We can assign this to a variable. Then if we run this, type your name. We can write the name. Now the variable name contains the input value. So if we print the variable, we get the value that we earlier input. Now, with all this, we can see how to write a program to find the percentage. Okay, this is a program to find the percentage. And at auto marks 600. Now 560. We get the percentage. Here we can see that the inputted values are converted to float. Here the type of variables dot and marks are string. Here we can see that it is string. So we have to convert that string to float to do the percentage calculations. So what happens if we enter a non-number in this case? We can see it creates an error. That is the value error, could not convert string to float. This is known as a runtime error, since this error was caused by the user input. Python provides a way to handle runtime errors like this. This runtime error can be handled using try and except block. If we put the statements where errors are likely to occur in a try block, a custom message inside the except block. is invalid number input. Actually get the indentation right, otherwise we will get a indentation error. So we can run this program. Now enter total marks. If we type a, now we can try by typing a known number, 36p, then p0. Here we have seen that the error message, instead of the error message, the custom message is shown. This is known as exception handling in Python, and it is done using the try and except blocks. So this is the end of this video. In this video we have seen comparison operators, logical operators, and exception handling in Python. Thank you.